Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Kitchen Fun. Today we are going to see easy and healthy recipes. So without much delay, let's dive into the recipes. Stay tuned and hope you will watch till the end. So let's begin. I've taken 200 gram of boneless chicken, add 1 white egg along with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I've taken Kashmiri red chili powder for color and also 1 tablespoon of corn flour with some salt. Mix it very well and combine all together using your hands. And this dish gives the real flavor only if you marinate before 30 minutes. So I'm making this the previous night and storing it in my refrigerator. Just an overview of my mini fridge. So the next day morning I took it out and heated very less amount of oil, say some 3 tablespoons of oil, and slowly add the chicken pieces one by one. And turn it either side till it is 70 to 80% cooked. So your chicken pieces must be soft, don't make it crispy. So I have done it in 2 batches and now our chicken pieces are ready. So now it's time to prepare the sauce. So I have taken 1 spoon of chili ketchup with 1 spoon of tomato ketchup and also 1 spoon of white natural vinegar. Just mix all together by adding some water if required and keep it ready. So here I have taken chopped garlic, some 3 to 4, with spring onions, and that's the bark of the spring onion, with some onions and triangular shaped chopped capsicum with off chopped onions for this beans. So eat some 1 spoon of oil and add all the chopped ingredients. So wait for 10 seconds after adding capsicum. And after 10 seconds, add those chars we had made earlier with some water. So make sure you turn the flame to very low because after adding sauce, this will get really thickened. So after 5 to 6 seconds, just add the chicken pieces and mix all together until the ketchups are coat well with the chicken. Add a pinch of sugar with required amount of salt. And now our yummy chicken Manchurian is ready after sprinkling the spring onions. And now it's time to prepare our healthy egg beans. For that I've taken 1 spoon of oil and splattering some mustard seeds with curry leaves and finely chopped onions. So once the onion turns soft, just add quarter or less than quarter spoon of turmeric powder with 2 splitted green chillies and add finely chopped beans. Just give a nice mix and add some water along with some salt and cover it in a low flame for 5 to 8 minutes. And after 7 to 8 minutes, your beans got ready, and by this time you can add 1 egg into it. If you are not an egg lover, you can add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. So just give a gentle mix and again cover it for 2 to 3 minutes and your yummy healthy beans egg is ready. This can be served as a side dish or as stuffing for paratha, tortillas, naans, etc. So hope you would have all enjoyed this video thoroughly. So please do subscribe. Comment me if you have any. Thank you.